Wave 8 is here, but we're doing something slightly differently. Instead of releasing everything on a single day, we're going to be shipping the new capabilities across a handful of days, each day focused on a different theme. Get ready, since this is just day one. Today's theme is teams and enterprises. This is Windsurf Reviews, knowledge bases, conversation sharing, team deploys, update analytics, and more. Every improvement we make in the core AI engine will obviously help individual developers within software organizations, but there are a whole list of considerations specific to organizations and admins of such AI tool rollouts. These include scale, security, standardization, adoption, and thinking about bottlenecks across the entire software development lifecycle. So let's dive into Wave 8.
One of the biggest updates is Windsurf Reviews, a GitHub integration that streamlines the code review process. When a developer adds /Windsurf to their PR title or description, Windsurf will automatically generate a full pull request summary that adheres to your existing template. In addition, the Windsurf bot can leave inline comments on your code, which automates low-hanging feedback and frees up your teammates to focus on more strategic parts of the code review. This reduces feedback cycles and helps teams ship faster without sacrificing quality.
We've also added support for contextual team knowledge, starting with Google Docs. Team admins can configure documents that Cascade can use as sources of truth, enabling more aligned responses based on your actual team's documentation. Things like onboarding, design docs, runbooks, and guidelines. This is particularly useful for ensuring consistency across team members. Teams can now send Cascade conversations with a shareable link, making it easier to upskill team members, share helpful responses, and help drive adoption. It's a lightweight way to build internal knowledge and support more effective collaboration.
Windsurf now supports team deploys, so you can easily share internal tools and dashboards with your organization. Just pick a deploy target within your Netlify team account, and your app will be live for your team. And because these deploys can be privately protected via your Netlify configuration, everything can stay secure and access controlled. It's a fast, scalable way to build and ship internal apps without compromising on security.
For teams and enterprise-level insights, we've launched an updated analytics dashboard to summarize the productivity gains that Cascade provides. This now shows detailed metrics such as lines of code suggested by Cascade and accepted by the user, details on tool calls, credit usage, and tab completions. We also provide finer grade filters, offering more visibility into team productivity and usage.
We've updated our teams and enterprise plans to give you more flexibility and control. If you're on a self-serve Teams plan, you can now unlock advanced access controls like SSO, role-based access controls, and sub-team analytics. And if you're ready for the full power of enterprise, you can now self-serve that too. You'll get all the access control features, API to analytics, and more credits at a cheaper cost per credit rate. Now teams don't have to pay enterprise prices if all you want is access control features, and enterprise customers can just get started.
We are really excited about making Windsurf the single most powerful AI platform for any organization's software engineering teams. And these features are really just the start. Catch you tomorrow for even more Wave 8 launches.